Recently, these types of videos have been going viral. Using VEO 3, people are creating stunning, studio-level advertisement videos. But if you've noticed, the text on the objects, the logos, and the fine details are crystal clear. That's something you just can't achieve with a normal detail prompt. That's where JSON prompting comes in. JSON prompting is a structured way of giving instructions to AI models, and the result is perfect, professional quality images every time. Let's start the video. In the description, you'll find a blog link. This blog contains some of the most viral JSON prompts from big brands. You can even play the videos that were generated with each prompt. Here's how it works. First, copy the prompt from the blog. Then, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and ask it to improve it. Replace the brand name with your own brand, add your product details, and submit. ChatGPT will give you the updated prompt. Now, copy that prompt and open Flow. I'm using VEO 3, but you can also use any other AI video tool. And, just like that, the video is ready. Let's generate another video. Now let's say you want to create a video completely from scratch. First, you'll need a product image like this one. Open ChatGPT and upload the product image. Then, ask it to write a detailed JSON prompt for VEO 3 to create a cinematic shot of your product. Copy that prompt, paste it into Flow, and your video is done. You can also create high-quality product images the same way. Just upload your product image to ChatGPT, ask for a JSON prompt to create a studio-level image, then ask for an even more detailed version. For image generation, I personally use Google Whisk. Paste the prompt there and you'll get your image. If you want, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to add colors, and you'll have a fresh, upgraded version ready. The main difference between JSON prompting and regular prompting is this. With JSON prompting, the text is always clear, no missing letters, no jumbled words. With regular prompts, well, AI tends to mess up letters a lot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.